Hello
Okay.
everyone, this is hello. Can you listen to me? This is Professor Pithi Shah.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If anyone cannot listen, uh, everyone can listen.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any problem?
No, sir. You're audible to us. Fine.
Okay. Thank you. Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Before I start, let me tell you a few things. Okay. First of all, everyone please mute yourself. Otherwise, there will be a chaos only. Okay. Fine. Everyone listening to Roshan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Mute your audio.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. In the Google Classroom, I have sent you a mail. Send you an introduction PDF. Have you gone through this? I think you have. Okay. There are a few things that I want to discuss, but before that, I have actually have your name sheet. First of all, I will call by your name one by one. Those who are present, please respond. But I don't know. Very few of you are present. Don't know the reason. First, roll number one. From roll number 1 to roll number 64 is section A. CR of
Yes,
the
sir.
class. CR of the class present. Ashwini and Shreja. Both of you present?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. First of all, roll number 1, Olivia Das, present.
Absent, sir.
Roll number 2, Pankaj Kumar. Absent. Roll number 3, Suraj Kumar. Roll number 4, Raju Sharma. Absent. Roll number 5, Abhay Kumar. Roll number 6, Devmallo Mondol. I think present. Devmallo Mondol. Devmallo present. Absent.
Sir, he is present, but he is not responding.
Present, sir.
That I will count absent. Okay, Devmallo, you are present.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Devmallo, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Okay, fine. So you are present.
Yes, sir.
Devmallo, where are you from? Devmallo, where are you from? From which school?
From Julian School, sir.
Brilliant. And where do you live?
I live in Uluvaria.
Ulube. Fine. How's the situation there? Under
Uh,
control or beyond control?
it's not under control, sir. There are many corona cases there.
Okay. You stay safe, right? Okay, fine. Next is roll number 7, Roshan Kumar. Devmallo, mute yourself, please.
Okay, sir.
Sahil, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Roshan. Roshan Kumar.
Sir, I am sir. There are two Roshan in the class. Myself, Roshan,
Roll
roll
number
number
7.
28. Not sir, not 20. I
You
am
okay?
28.
No, I am talking about roll number 7, Roshan Kumar.
No, sir, he is not here.
Okay, fine. Excellent then. Roll number 8, Sahil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Sahil, where are you from?
Ghar, Jharkhand.
Jharkhand, fine. From which school?
Sir, I have passed class 12 from DPS, Ranchi.
DPS रांची. Okay, fine. झारखंड में कहाँ पे है? घर कहाँ पे है झारखंड पे?
देवघर में सर.
देवघर. अच्छा. ये
यस.
लॉकडाउन के बाद पेरा खिलाना.
पार्डन सर.
लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाने के बाद देवघर का पेरा खिलाना. पेरा.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है सर. श्योर श्योर.
कॉलेज में जब आओगे पेरा लेके आना, ठीक है?
ओके सर, ओके.
अच्छा, और सब ठीक ठाक है तो करके?
हाँ सर, सब सही है.
अच्छा, ठीक है, फाइन. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इज रोल नंबर 9, सईफ अली. प्रेजेंट. सईफ अली. रोल नंबर 10, अभिषेक कुमार. अभिषेक कुमार. प्रेजेंट. रोल नंबर 11, प्रशांत. Ritija, is she belong to your class or she left?
Sir, she left.
Ritija Bhattacharya.
She left, sir.
Fine. Okay, okay. Okay, next is roll number 13, Prem Kumar. Prem Kumar present. 14, Shivam. Shivam Chandelier.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
Yeah, Shivam. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Where are you from?
Muzaffarpur, Bihar.
Muzaffarpur. Okay. Okay. From which school?
Hello.
From which school? Shivam.
Holy Cross Public School.
Which one? Sorry.
Holy Cross Public School.
Holy Cross. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So how was the situation there in Muzaffarpur?
It is not under control.
No place is under control. Every night is beyond control. Okay, fine. You
Yes.
stay with us, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, roll number 15, Bipronil Das.
Present sir.
Present. Achha, where are you from, Bipronil?
From Howrah, West Bengal.
Howrah. Howrah which place?
Howrah, Bali.
Bali. Fine. ওখানে প্রচুর বালি ঠালি পাওয়া যায় নাকি? জায়গাটার
না,
নাম
না।
বালি কেন রে?
এমনি বালি
পাওয়া যায় না। এমনি বালি। আচ্ছা,
হ্যাঁ।
ফাইন। আচ্ছা, from which school you are from?
Sir, 10th from Pattabhavan Dankun and 12th from Uttabada Government High School.
আচ্ছা, ফাইন। ওকে, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, stay with us. Next is roll number 16, Rahul Kumar Yadav. Rahul, are you there? Roll number 17, Next. I cannot hear anything. Who is speaking? I cannot hear anything. Hello.
Sir, he is no more actually.
Who, Navneet?
Yes, sir, he is no more.
What happened to him?
Sir, actually got suffered from liver cancer and many more diseases.
When it happened?
Sir, approx
What
1
happened?
month ago.
1 month.
Yes, sir, 1 month.
From which state he is from? Anyone know?
So that anybody know which
Which
state
state?
is from?
Bihar.
Bihar, sir.
Bihar, which part? Any idea?
Begusarai. sir.
Begusarai.
Begusarai. Okay, fine. Okay. Very sad.
Yeah.
Okay. Others, please mute yourself again. Roll number 18, Shubham Kumar. 18, Vidisha Pal. Sorry, 19, Vidisha Pal. 20, Swagat Roy. 21, Swagat.
Present, sir. Present, sir. 20. Yes, sir.
Okay, Swagat, where are you from? Midnapur.
Sir, Midnapur,
Which
West
part?
Bengal.
East or west? Midnapur,
Sorry,
east
sir?
or west?
West.
West, west. Okay.
West, sir.
From which school?
Midnapur Collegiate School.
Okay, fine. Okay, you stay with us. Next, Priti Shore. Roll number 21. Roll number 21 present. 22, Manjishta Mitra.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Where are you from?
Sir, Kolkata.
Kolkata is a very small place, you know.
Dhakuria, sir. Dhakuria.
Dhakuria. Okay, fine. From which school?
Sir, Navanalanda.
Napunara. Okay. Okay, you stay with us. Next is roll number 23, Ishan Haldar. Present. 24, Rupak. Rupak present. 25, Ashish. 26, Madhusudan. 'Please mute yourself. 27, Veer Pratap. Roll number 27, Veer Pratap. Veer Pratap is not there.
No, sir.
I thought he must be there because he was talking so much in the WhatsApp group, so I was thinking he must be there. Okay, okay.
No, he is not.
Talk with him in the next class. Roll number 28, Roshan Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Roshan. Okay, fine. So where are you from?
So I am from Munger, Bihar, sir.
Okay, very good. From which school?
DAB Public School.
Okay. Okay, you stay with us. Okay. Roll number
Okay, sir.
30, Abhishek Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Gupta. Okay. Abhishek, how is life there?
Where?
Your place, obviously. Not America.
So I stay in Kolkata only.
You stay in Kolkata? Very good. I thought you were from outside Kolkata.
No,
Kolkata,
sir.
which part?
I'm res. So I stay near Science City.
Science City. Fine. Okay, which school?
So I completed my majors from Grace Ting Lang English School.
And 10th?
What, sir?
10th standard?
10th standard 2 from that school only, sir.
Okay. Okay, take it. Thank you. You stay with us. Next is 31, Samanjit Kumar.
Yes, sir.
So, Samanjit, where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Sitamarhi, Bihar.
Bihar, which part?
Sitamarhi, sir.
Sitamarhi. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Actually, it is the birthplace of Ma Sita.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Holy place.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so how is the situation there?
Sir, situation is very critical. Approx, there are more than 4,400 cases near me. So, and I'm in containment zone, sir.
That's the containment. Lockdown is prevailed or lockdown is not, it's unlocked.
No, sir, there is lockdown.
Okay.
Yes,
From which
sir.
school?
Sir, I've completed my class 12 from Helen's School and
Yes.
class 10 from Saraswati Vidya Mandir.
Okay, fine. You stay safe, huh?
Okay. Okay.
Acha, what is the situation of internet connection over there?
Sorry, sir, I'm not getting you.
How is the internet connection speed over there? Internet connection.
Sir, internet connection is fine. Fine,
So
sir.
it's good.
It is
So
fine.
it's good for
Yes, sir.
online
Yes,
class
sir.
then.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Acha, fine. ठीक है, please stay with us, huh? Next
Okay,
is
sir.
number 32, Saurav Kumar. Saurav is there. Number 33, Samarth Singh. 34, Subham Jain. 35, Sonu Kumar. 36, Abhishek Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek. Okay. So where are you from?
I am from Hajipur, Bihar.
Hajipur. Okay. Your name is Abhishek, so Abhishek Kumar.
Yes, sir. Abhishek Kumar.
Your school from?
I have completed my 10th and 12th from St. Joseph School.
Saint Joseph. Okay. ठीक है, you stay with us. Next is roll number 37, Aman Kumar.
স্যার কয়েকজন স্টুডেন্ট মেসেজ করছে যে ওই আস্কিং ফর জয়নিং।
Okay. Next is roll number 37, Aman Kumar. Aman present? Aman is absent. Okay. Next is Rajat Pandey.
Good evening, sir.
Wait for a second. Okay, Rajat. So where are you from, Rajat?
Uttar Pradesh, sir. Gorakhpur.
Gorakhpur. How is the situation there, Rajat?
Well, the UP has implemented a weekend lockdown Saturdays and Sundays, and after that, the colony that I actually live in is under containment since some days.
So tough
That's
situation.
it. Yes, sir. You can say that.
Where are your school from? Which school
Air
you are
Force.
from?
Air Force School, sir.
Air Force. Okay. ठीक है. So stay with us, okay? Next
Okay,
is
sir.
roll number 39, Shoran Ganguly. Saurav, are you there? Roll number 40, Saurav Kumar Lal. Roll number 40 is there. Okay, next. Roll number 42, Orgho Pratihar.
Yes, sir.
Orgho, where are you from?
Sir, Jhargram, West Bengal.
Jhargram, okay. Very good place.
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা ঝাড়গ্রাম রাজবাড়ি দেখেছিস?
হ্যাঁ স্যার দেখেছি।
হ্যাঁ দেখার আর কি আছে, তোর তো বাড়ি ওখানে, তো রোজই দেখতে পারি। আচ্ছা, your school from?
ঝাড়গ্রাম কুমোদকুম ইনস্টিটিউশন।
10 and 12 both?
হ্যাঁ, yes sir.
আচ্ছা, ঝাড়গ্রামে কি অবস্থা? How is the situation in ঝাড়গ্রাম?
সিচুয়েশন আন্ডার কন্ট্রোল স্যার। মোর এখন 4টে অ্যাক্টিভ কেস আর কি, খুবই কম আর কি।
ওকে, সাবধানে থাকিস।
হ্যাঁ।
Okay, stay with us. Next is 43, সুজন কীর্তনিয়া. Roll number 43, Sujan. Next is 44. 44, Amit Bharti. Amit Bharti. 45, Priya.
Sir, 43, sir.
43, Sujan
Sujan
Kirtania.
Kittonia, Sujan Kittonia, sir. Sujan Kittonia.
তো চলে গেছিল।
স্যার 43 বলতে পারি না আপনাকে স্যার, সুজান কিত্তনিয়া।
আচ্ছা, where are you from?
স্যার খড়গপুর স্যার, ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল।
খড়গপুর, আচ্ছা। Which school?
স্যার কেন্দ্রীয় বিদ্যালয় নম্বর 2 খড়গপুর স্যার, সেন্ট্রাল স্কুল কেবি 2।
আচ্ছা, 10, 12 both from the same school?
Yes sir, same school.
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, fine. You stay with us, okay?
Thank you sir.
Next is roll number 45, Priya. Present, 45 roll number.
Present, sir.
Acha. Where are you from, Priya?
Yes, sir. Present.
Sorry? Hello, can you listen to me?
Sir, from here.
Your voice is not clear. I don't get you. Can you listen to me? My voice is clear.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear,
Hello,
sir.
Okay. Priya, can you listen to me?
Yes.
Hello. Okay, fine. We'll talk later. I think there is an internet connection problem. Okay, next
Yes,
is
sir.
roll number 47. Can you listen to me, Priya?
Yes, sir.
Acha, where are you
Hello?
from?
Sir, from Bihar.
Which part?
Samastipur, sir.
Samastipur, Bihar. Okay, fine. Your school?
Public Central School, sir.
10, 12 both.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, you stay with us, okay? Next is roll number 47, Aman Kumar Shah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Aman Kumar. Acha, 48, Ashwini Kumar.
Sir, 47, sir. 47 is present.
47.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Aman, where are you from?
Sir, I am from Howrah.
Howrah. Which part?
Sir, Salkia.
Shalkia. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Acha, your school from?
Sir, I am from Salkia Vikram Vidyalaya.
Okay. 10, 12 both.
Yes,
Same
sir.
school.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है, ठीक है.
Okay,
You stay with us. Roll number 48, Ashwini Kumar.
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes,
Kumar.
sir.
Okay. Yeah. Where are you from?
उत्तर प्रदेश बलिया।
तूने पिछले दिन बोले थे मुझे ना, you are from UP.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारा स्कूल कहाँ से है बेटा?
12th from Central Hindu School, Banarsi, and 10th HS Public School, Raebareli.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. You stay with us. अच्छा, roll number 49,
Yes, sir.
Shams Raza. Absent. 51, Biprodeep Chandra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Biprodeep present. Where are you from?
Sir, Kalyani, West Bengal.
কল্যাণী. ওকে.
Yes, sir.
কল্যাণীর অবস্থা কিরকম?
ঠিকঠাকই আছে এদিকে। এদিকে লকডাউন চলছিল কদিন আগে, আপাতত স্টপ আছে, সব কন্ট্রোল। এখন কোনো অ্যাক্টিভ কেস নেই। সিকিউর।
Okay, your school from?
Zealand School, Kalyan.
10 till both.
Yes, sir, both.
Okay.
Okay.
So how do you come to college? By train?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, stay in PG, near Hossenpur.
You stay in a PG, where? Hossenpur?
Hossenpur, sir.
Hossenpur?
Yes, sir, Hossenpur. Near the police station.
Hello, can you listen to me? Pradip?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Sir, voice is clear, sir.
You stay in Hossenpur, though?
Yes, sir, PG. I stay in PG.
PG, along with another one?
Yeah, along, so I have a friend from first year. Now he is in second year, chemical department. One is from mechanical, and 2 senior from MTech and chemical. 6.
It's all heritage.
Yes, all heritage.
Okay, ठीक है, you stay with us.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Roll number 52, Siddharth. Saptarshi present?
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Saptarshi. Where are you from?
দমদম বেদিয়াপাড়া কলকাতা।
দমদম? দমদমের কোথায় রে?
Yes, sir. দমদমের যুব সংঘ ক্লাবটা আছে, ওখান থেকে একটু এগিয়ে বেদিয়াপাড়া, ওখানেই থাকে।
বাবা, আমার বাড়ি তো দমদম রে। ওকে, ঠিক আছে, দেখা হবে।
দমদমে কোন জায়গায়?
আমার ছানাপুর।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
ঠিক আছে, স্কুল করতে where is from school? Is school from?
From বর্ণগড় রামকৃষ্ণ মিশন আশ্রম হাই স্কুল।
আচ্ছা, দুটোই 10 12?
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, stay with us. Next is roll number.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Roll number 53, Sreja Muzumdar.
Yes, sir.
Sreja, acha, where are you from?
Dhakuria, Kolkata.
Dhakuria. Your school from?
South Point High School.
South Point. 10 12 both?
Yes.
ঠাকুরিয়ার কি অবস্থা রে এখন?
আমরা যতক্ষণ প্রিকশন নিয়ে চলছি ততক্ষণ ঠিক অবস্থা।
আচ্ছা, মানে লোকজন বেরিয়ে পড়ছে আর কি।
হ্যাঁ, খুব অসাবধানতা মানে নিয়েই বেরোচ্ছে, কেউ কেউ তো মাস্কই পরে না।
আচ্ছা, বুঝলাম। আমার যাওয়ার ছিল, তাহলে এখন যাওয়া যাবে না বলছি।
আসতে পারেন, মানে সেরকম খুব কেসেস হাই বলবো না, কিন্তু মানে তাও এখন না আসাই ভালো। মানে এত চারিদিকে কোথায় কে কে ইনফেক্ট করে দেবে তার তো কোনো গ্যারান্টি নেই না।
দক্ষিণাপনের আশেপাশে এই জায়গাগুলো কি লকডাউন মানে কন্টেইনমেন্ট জোন জানিস?
না না না, দক্ষিণাপনের আশেপাশে কন্টেইনমেন্ট জোন নয়।
আচ্ছা, ওখানে ওপেনই আছে তাহলে বলছি।
হুম হুম হুম।
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ। স্টে উইথ আস। রোল নাম্বার 56, আদিত্য অরোরা।
Present, sir.
Okay, Aditya, where are you from?
Sir, Patna, Bihar, sir.
Patna. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Your school from?
Sir, St. MG Public School. Both 12th and 12th.
Both 10th and 12th.
Yes, sir.
तो वहाँ पे कैसा है, सब ठीक ठाक है?
कंडीशन तो अभी क्रिटिकल है, मीन्स डे बाय डे इंक्रीज ही हो रहा है इधर।
कम नहीं हो रहा है ना?
नो सर।
अच्छा, अभी अचानक कॉलेज खुल जाता है तो क्या करोगे? मान लो कि 2
होने
महीने
का कोई
बाद
चांस तो है नहीं सर।
चांस नहीं है ना अभी। अरे 2 महीने के बाद अगर पूजा के बाद अगर खुल जाता है तो क्या करोगे?
तो आएंगे सर,
आ जाएंगे सर।
ऐसे भी घर में रहते रहते बोर हो गए।
बोर हो जाएगा।
अब घर चले आते हैं सर।
अच्छा, ठीक है। ओके, यू स्टे विद अस।
थैंक
नेक्स्ट इज रोल नंबर 58, अभिराम शर्मा। Abhiram present. 59, Anisha Sinha.
Yes, sir, present.
Anisha, where are you from?
Sir, I am from Nalanda, Bihar.
Nalanda. Okay. Very good place.
Yes, sir.
You're schooling from?
Sir, I do schooling from RPS school, Bihar City.
नालंदा में अभी कैसा सिचुएशन है?
Sir, the case is increasing day by day, not under control.
Not under control. अब कंट्रोल में होगा बोलो तो? ये नॉट अंडर कंट्रोल सिचुएशन तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जा रहा है. अभी कंट्रोल में आएगा, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. इस अनकंट्रोल सिचुएशन में ऑनलाइन क्लास करना भी बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, just stay with us. Next is roll number 61, Ankit Raj.
Present, sir.
Ankit, where are you from?
Sir, Vaishali, Bihar.
Vaishali. Okay, very good. You were 10th and 12th from?
Sir, 10th from St. John's Academy and 12th from Gyanodaya Public School.
यहाँ पे कहाँ पे रहते हो? मतलब बसंतपुर में पीजी या फिर?
No, sir. Flat है, sir. RR plot.
RR plot में. अच्छा, शेयरिंग तो?
Yes, sir, sharing.
Okay. कौन-कौन है साथ में?
सर एक फ्रेंड है, मतलब CSE फर्स्ट ईयर, उसके साथ.
CSE फर्स्ट ईयर. सेम कॉलेज तो हेट है.
Yes, sir, same कॉलेज.
Okay, stay with us. Roll number 62, Abhishek Datta. Abhishek present. 64, Push Prasan. Roll number 64. Okay, those who have joined late. Those who have joined late, don't unmute right now. Don't unmute yourself. Okay. Those who have joined late, there is a chat option. You just write your name and chat me. Send me the chat option. I will collect your attendance from there. Though this is not a typical attendance for.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir, name and roll number.
Sorry.
Sir, name and roll number I have to put in the chat option.
Class roll number and name. Write it down and send it in the chat box. Okay, those who have joined late. अच्छा, Veer Pratap, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Veer. क्या हो गया?
Yes, sir. कोई नहीं सर, बस ऐसे ही बैठे हुए. गाँव पे हैं.
अच्छा, ठीक है. नहीं, तुम कहाँ से हो पहले ये बता.
हम बिहार जिला से बने.
कहाँ पे?
बिहार.
कौन सा जिला?
औरंगाबाद जिला.
औरंगाबाद.
हाँ.
कॉलेज खुलने के बाद आके मुझे मार तो नहीं दोगे?
हम पहले ही से आ चुके हैं.
तुम यहाँ पे हो?
यस सर.
अच्छा, कहाँ पे रह रहे हो? यहाँ पे?
अभी आए हैं लेकिन कल चले जाएंगे.
ठीक है, मुझे तुम्हें मिलना नहीं है अभी, मैं जस्ट पूछ रहा था. तुम यहाँ कहाँ पे रहते हो?
मॉडर्न बॉयज हॉस्टल, बप्पीदा.
बप्पीदा हॉस्टल. अच्छा. और कौन है साथ में? एटीएस का है या फिर मेहनत शाह का?
नहीं, एक है सिविल का ही, 28 रोल नंबर, रोशन कुमार.
अच्छा, तुम लोग साथ में रहते हो?
यस.
ठीक है भी, कॉलेज खोलने के बाद थोड़ा मुलाकात होगा. एक्चुअली मेरा बीटेक भी मेहनत शाह से है.
क्या सर?
मेरा बीटेक मेहनत शाह से है. MSIT से है. वो कॉलेज का नाम था, इसलिए पूछ रहा. और मैं हॉस्टल पे नहीं जाता था. थोड़ा आता है, इसलिए पूछ रहा.
क्या सर?
ठीक है. नहीं दे रहा है भी.
नहीं सर, फिर से बोलिए दोबारा।
हाँ एक्चुअली मेरा MSIT था तो वो बापीदा का हॉस्पिटल के साथ थोड़ा करीबी नाता था, इसलिए पूछ रहा था कौन कौन साथ में रहते हो।
ओ, कौन सा बैच से थे सर आप?
ठीक है।
ठीक है ठीक।
हाँ हाँ।
कौन सा बैच
नहीं
में
नहीं,
थे
मैं
आप?
हॉस्टल में नहीं, मेरा 2010 पास आउट, 10 साल हो गया।
ओके सर।
ठीक है,
ग्रुप
इस डे विद अस।
सर,
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो।
सर जो ग्रुप है व्हाट्सएप पे, हेलो,
किसमें?
ग्रुप जो व्हाट्सएप
हाँ
पे
हाँ
आप
ग्रुप।
बनाए हैं,
हाँ 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 हाँ।
उसमें सर सिर्फ सर 2 ठो एडमिन बना के छोड़ दीजिए, और किसी को मत बनाइए सर। 2 ठो जो CR है अपना क्लास का, सिर्फ उसी को बनाइए।
देखो बेटा, एक बात बोलता हूँ, दिस इज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम इंटरेक्टिंग विद यू, तो आई
यस
डोंट
सर।
नो एनी ऑफ यू।
सर मैं
ठीक है।
नाम बताता हूँ, एक पृथ्वी शोर है और एक अभिषेक है।
ये सर
तो
दो
वो
हैं
तो
जिन्हें आप एडमिन बना दिए सर, बाकी उस दिन चैट सर डिसेबल हो गया था। अगर हम लोग को दिक्कत होगा सर तो वी आर नॉट एबल टू रीच यू सर। और सर वो
सर
बाकी
क्योंकि
जो
सर
3-4
बंद कर
बंदे
दिया
वही
जा
आपसे
रहा
सर
है।
बात कर पाएंगे। सो सर
अच्छा
दे आर
देखो
2 CR, सो
देखो
आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू सर मेक ओनली दो
देखो मुझे
एडमिन।
अभी अभी जो सिचुएशन मुझे दिखाई दे रहा था व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, वो शायद मुझे और सैर को छोड़ के और 4 स्टूडेंट शायद वहाँ पे एडमिन है। ठीक
यस
है।
सर। और उसमें सभी चाहते हैं एडमिन बनना, क्योंकि सर और कोई है, इस चलते सभी चाहते हैं कि मैं भी एडमिन बनूं।
एडमिन बन, हाँ लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो
पर
जाएगा,
सर
सभी
हम
एडमिन बन
चाहते
जाएगा।
हैं सिर्फ 2 ही बने जो CR हो क्लास का पहले से।
अच्छा ठीक है, अभी के लिए जो 4 है वो 4 ही रहने दो, और वहाँ पे जो मैंने किया है वो एडमिन से वहाँ पे पोस्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। अगर किसी को कुछ बात करना है, मुझको कुछ बोलना है, तो मेरा नंबर तो वहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, तो मुझे पर्सनली व्हाट्सएप कर। ठीक है। और अगर कोई डिसीजन लेना है या फिर कुछ लेना है, ग्रुप में कुछ बोलना है, तो वो तुम्हारा जो पसंद का CR है, उस पसंद के CR को तुम भेजो, वो वहाँ पे पोस्ट करेगा। ठीक है। किसी को कोई डाउट है?
नो सर।
ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए ये डिसीजन रहता है, उसके बाद देखा जाएगा। ठीक है। अच्छा, so this was the first introduction with you. Some of you joined late, so the introduction was not made. Okay, from the next class we'll do it. Those PDF file, that PDF file introduction that I have sent, anyone have you gone through that?
Yes, sir.
The basic things I have discussed in that.
Yes, sir, I've gone through it.
Okay, those who have checked and those who have not.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you please open the auto sign in option, sir, because many times internet is slow and Google Meet get automatically disconnected, sir. After that, we are not able to reconnect, sir, because it says you need admin permission, sir. So I request you to remove that and allow
Which
us
one?
auto sign option, sir.
Which one? Where?
Sir, many times due to poor network connection, sir, Google Meet automatically disconnects, sir. Sir, and again we are not able to join because we need your permission.
अरे सर पूछ रहे हैं कि ऑटो साइन इन ऑप्शन किधर है?
सर हेलो सर, मुझे इसमें नहीं पता सर। मुझे जूम मैं पहले यूज करता तो उसमें पता था सर, इसके बारे में नहीं पता मुझे।
अच्छा ठीक है, अभी पहले करने दो क्लास, देखते हैं। ठीक है। तुम लोग अगर ऑटो ये हो जाते हो, साइन आउट हो जाते हो, तो मैं तो यहाँ पे ये ओपन करके बैठा हूँ, मैं उसको फिर से लॉग इन कर दूँगा। लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम है, तुम लोग जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हो तो हीटेस के बाहर मेल से ज्वाइन कर रहे हो या फिर हीटेस के मेल से ही ज्वाइन कर रहे हो?
सर ऑफिशियल
नहीं
से ही
सर,
ज्वाइन
आज
किए
तो
थे।
आज थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था, क्योंकि सर गूगल मीट में मैंने कॉलेज मेल से लॉगिन नहीं किया सर। दोबारा लॉगिन करने में बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम हुआ सर, इसीलिए लेट हो गया था सर ज्वाइन करने के लिए बहुत का।
हाँ लेकिन वो मतलब कॉलेज वाला जो मेल ID है, उसमें से तुम एक दिन से ज्वाइन कर सकते हो तो?
यस सर, ज्वाइन किए थे सर, लेकिन उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था सर, इसीलिए सर लेट से ज्वाइन।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
हाँ
हेलो सर, बट जिसके पास
हाँ, बोलो।
पीसी नहीं है तो उसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सर, ऐसे मतलब ज्वाइन करने में कॉलेज मेल आईडी से। मतलब सर हम लोग का
किससे, गूगल
नॉर्मल
मीट
फोन,
में?
यस सर, नॉर्मल हम फोन से हम जब करते हैं सर, ऐड अकाउंट करते हैं तो हमारा लेता ही नहीं सर ऐड अकाउंट वहाँ पर गूगल।
सर मेरा
प्रॉब्लम
खुद
मेरा भी
फोन
होता है
पे
सर।
नहीं हुआ सर, मैं ब्राउजर में खोल के देख रहा हूँ सर, गूगल ऐप पे नहीं हो रहा था सर, अकाउंट ही ऐड नहीं हो रहा था।
अकाउंट नहीं है सर, हम लोग को सर क्रोम में जाके अलग से इनकॉग्निटो टैब में से
यस
देखना
सर,
पड़ता है जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आता है
यस
सर।
सर, सेम प्रॉब्लम सर, सेम प्रॉब्लम सर, गूगल में
सेम
अलग से
प्रॉब्लम
जाके
मेरा भी हो रहा
देखना
है सर,
पड़ता है।
मतलब
सर हमारे
फोन
पास
से नहीं हो
पीसी
रहा
नहीं
है
है
सर।
सर, सभी के पास सर, इसीलिए प्रॉब्लम होता है सर।
अच्छा, अगर तुम्हारे पर्सनल मेल आईडी से करोगे तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा तो?
नो
नहीं
नो
सर,
सर,
पर्सनल मेल आईडी से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर।
पर्सनल आईडी तो हो रहा है सर ठीक से।
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा सोच के ग्रुप में बोल दूंगा। नेक्स्ट दिन से तो पर्सनल मेल आईडी से ही करोगे, ठीक है?
यस सर, यस सर, सर वो कन्वीनियंट रहेगा सर, कनेक्ट करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है सर।
ठीक है, मुझे तो पढ़ाना है, तुम्हें सुनना है, तुम्हें समझना है। अगर जिसमें से अच्छे से हो जाएगा उसमें से करेंगे, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ठीक है, सो इज दैट फाइन?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Okay sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Any other any question?
No, sir.
Achha, I have just few things, then I will leave the meeting. First one is regarding the attendance. How the attendance will be taken? What I have decided is this online class, if I take live online class, I think it will be a problem for many of you regarding the internet issue. So what I have decided is I have prepared all the presentations and I have discussed everything in the presentation. What I will do is before your class, I will mail the presentation in the Google Classroom, similar to the way I have uploaded that introduction part. So every week, every topic, I will upload the presentation first, right? You will go through the presentation, you will go through it, you will try to understand. Then in the classroom, means there is Google Meet, in the live session, whatever problem you will have, we will discuss here and we will clear it out. And secondly, all the numerical problems, some of the numerical problems are solved over there. You go through it. If you have any problem, any doubt, similar problems will be solved here in the live class. Because live class, huge amount of data will be taken, which I think will be problematic for you, most of you. Right? So this I have decided. So anyone have any issue with this? Any suggestion? Because you will also there to attend the class. So it's a both-sided option. So I also need to know your choice. What is
Excuse
your
me, sir.
option?
Hello.
Yeah.
Fine.
Sir,
Aman.
the presentation is a video type or sir is a PDF type?
It is a simple PDF file.
It's a PDF type, no? Sir? Okay. Sir,
Yes.
we don't have the books and not the all the type of materials. So please sir, send the PDFs of all the PDFs of the topic that you have learned in the class or that you teach in the class.
Yeah, what I will do is, first of all, I will upload the lecture presentation in PDF form, right? Then what I will do is, required portions of the book, any of the book which is required, that particular book I will upload in the PDF form. The whole book is preferably I will not upload because the whole book size is say 25 MB, 30 MB like that. So there is no point of downloading the whole book every time. So what I will do is I will upload the selected part from the selected book and I will mention the name of the book from where I am sending this thing. So you will just download it, you go through the portions and then we'll discuss. So how about that?
Yes, okay, sir.
Okay, sir. This sounds good.
Achha. Anyone have any other suggestion? Anything?
No, sir.
Achha, fine. Actually, the problem is I am also not accustomed to this kind of online classes because every time that chalk and blackboard is more convenient to me. Every time I solve a problem in the board and ask you people whether you have understood or not. But in this time, I will just go through solving problems. There is no one to listen. No one, I don't understand whether you are understanding or not. So that particular thing, like making a video and upload it, that I don't think very very convenient. That is my opinion, obviously. So that is the reason why I have decided to go with this thing. I'll upload the PDF. You just download it. Size will be very less, maybe 7 or 8 MB. Then the required books, you just go through it. Then in the live session, in the particular slot of your class routine, we will discuss the problem we'll have. Even if you have any problem prior to that, if you want to let me inform, you can also WhatsApp me, so that in the class much time will not wasted by asking the questions. So you may, prior to that, you may also send me all the questions we have through WhatsApp. The second thing is about the attendance. The attendance will be taken during the live class session. Like today's class, I have taken the attendance. This attendance will not be counted, because in the WhatsApp group, I have told you that there will be no attendance. The attendance I have taken only to check whether the things are working properly or not, right? So from the next class, this way I will take the attendance, and this is the first attendance. And second attendance is after every day's class, every week, I will upload some assignments regarding that particular class. That particular assignment you have to submit in Google Classroom by next week. The submission date of assignment, I will also give it to you over the classroom. What you have to do is, say, for example, I will give 5 problems that you have to solve. How to solve? You will download the problem sheet from the Google Classroom. You solve the problem in your copy, plain simple copy. If you have A4 sheet, if you have the college sheet, do it in it. Otherwise, in simple plain white copy, you solve the problems, you scan it, make it PDF, and upload in the particular class.
So after every class, sir? After every class means you will give assignment?
Yeah, say for example,
after every week.
Every week. Say for
every
the
week,
coming week, every week. Every week I will give you some assignments, and then the next week you have to submit it.
Okay, sir, like that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So normal weekend, sir, na?
Once.
चुप रहना बे, सुनने देना.
Say for example, my class. Dear, don't be so excited.
Sir.
Okay. Say for example, I have the class with you on every Monday. So Monday we will be having our live class. Before that, prior to that class, I will upload the PDF in the classroom. You go through it. In the Monday live session for 2 hours, we will discuss the problems. And then by Monday or Tuesday, I will upload the particular assignment for that particular class. After 1 week, so on the next Monday or Tuesday, you have to submit the assignment. So once you submit the assignment, based on your submission, second attendance will be there. So per week, you have a 2 class, Monday from 10 to 11 or 11 to 12. I think these are the 2 slots assigned with you. So for the first attendance will be during this live class, and the second attendance will be when you submit the assignment, right? So this way, 2 attendance of 2 classes will be given. Am I clear? Anyone have any doubt regarding the attendance procedure?
No, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Acha. Next is in the Google Classroom, have you ever uploaded? रोशन बेटा थोड़ा म्यूट करो. अच्छा. In the Google Classroom, do you have any experience of uploading the assignment? Have you ever done that?
Yes, sir.
Done that. So, fine. So you know the procedure. Now the thing is, in the assignment, there will be some instructions.
Sir,
given.
if we face problem, can we mail it?
No, mail is not convenient.
Okay, sir. Okay.
See, there will be a date and time given for submission of the assignment. But even if you are late, you can submit it. But late, that doesn't mean say the submission date is Monday and you are submitting 1 month later. That is not allowed.
1 week.
If the last date is Monday, then you can submit latest by Tuesday. 1 day I can give you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Acha. Regarding that introduction PDF, Any doubt? Any question you have?
No, sir.
I thought you should have, because everything that is the fixed
No,
support,
sir.
fixed support,
Sir,
everything was
excuse me.
new to you. Probably you have not gone through that very well.
No, we have not gone through that actually.
Yes, I know. I know.
That's,
First of all, you
that's
go.
why we don't have any problem.
वेरी गुड. एक्चुअली अगर तुम्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है तो मेरे लिए अच्छा है, तो क्लास बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. मेरे लिए अच्छा है, लेकिन तुम लोग के लिए अच्छा नहीं. ठीक है, you just go through it. First of all, whatever I will upload, you just go through it. Then if you have any doubt in that particular live class, we'll discuss on it. ठीक है?
ओके सर. ओके सर.
ठीक है, तो आज के लिए चलो इतना ही. और कुछ तो वैसे कहना नहीं है. कुछ अगर anything I have left, I will tell you in the Google, नहीं, not in the, so in the WhatsApp group. I will tell you in the WhatsApp group. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so thank you everyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Tata, sir.
Correct. Rajat.